Are you looking for the best mirrorless cameras 2023? Here are my full reviews of the best mirrorless cameras 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera, Body Only, Black. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a cutting-edge full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional image quality and versatility. The sleek black body houses a 33-megapixel Exmor RS CMOS sensor, delivering stunning detail and clarity in every shot. With advanced autofocus capabilities, the Alpha 7 IV ensures sharp and precise focus, even in challenging conditions. This camera is perfect for those who demand flexibility in their creative pursuits. The wide ISO range, 132,000 and improved noise reduction technology guarantee exceptional performance in various lighting situations. The high-resolution 9.44 million OLED electronic viewfinder provides a clear and immersive shooting experience, while the tilting touchscreen LCD makes framing shots easy from any angle. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the Alpha 7 IV's ability to capture 4K video at up to 60 FPS, delivering cinematic footage with impressive dynamic range. The camera also features advanced connectivity options, including built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless sharing and remote control. With a robust, weather-sealed construction, the Sony Alpha 7 IV stands ready for any photographic adventure, making it a top choice for those who demand excellence in a compact and powerful package. Number 2. Sony Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera, Compact APS-C Interchangeable Lens Digital Camera with Real-Time Eye Autofocus, 4K Video and Flip-Up Touchscreen E. The Sony Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera is a powerful and compact APS-C interchangeable lens digital camera, perfect for both amateur and professional photographers. It boasts real-time eye autofocus, ensuring stunningly sharp images by tracking and focusing on subjects' eyes in real time. The camera's advanced technology extends to its 4K video capabilities, allowing users to capture high-quality footage with exceptional detail and clarity. The flip-up touchscreen enhances versatility, enabling effortless framing and shooting from various angles. With a user-friendly interface, the A6400 ensures a seamless photography experience. Its lightweight design makes it an ideal companion for on-the-go shooting, while the impressive features make it a standout choice in the world of mirrorless cameras. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or photography enthusiast, the Sony Alpha A6400 delivers outstanding performance in a portable package. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix GH6, 25.2 megapixels mirrorless micro Four Thirds camera with unlimited C4K, 4K4, 210-bit video recording, 7.5 stop 5-axis dual image stabilizer. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a cutting-edge mirrorless micro Four Thirds camera, designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Boasting a powerful 25.2 megapixel sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality and clarity. One of its standout features is the ability for unlimited C4K, 4K4, 210-bit video recording, providing filmmakers with unprecedented creative flexibility. The camera is equipped with a 7.5 stop 5-axis dual image stabilizer, ensuring steady shots even in challenging conditions. This advanced stabilization technology is a game-changer for both photography and videography, allowing users to capture sharp and smooth content. The GH6 embodies Panasonic's commitment to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of mirrorless cameras. Whether you're a professional videographer or a photography enthusiast, the Lumix GH6 delivers a versatile and high-performance tool for creative expression. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix S5 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera, 4K 60p video recording with flip screen and Wi-Fi, Lumix S 20-60mm f3.55.6 lens, L-mount, 5-axis dual IS. The Panasonic Lumix S5 is a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera that excels in both photography and videography. With its impressive 4K 60p video recording capabilities, it is a perfect choice for content creators and filmmakers. The camera features a convenient flip screen, allowing for flexible framing and easy vlogging. The included Lumix S20 60mm f3.55.6 lens, designed for the L-mount, provides versatile focal lengths for various shooting scenarios. Equipped with 5-axis dual IS image stabilization, the Lumix S5 ensures sharp and steady images, even in challenging shooting conditions. The integrated Wi-Fi functionality enhances connectivity, enabling seamless sharing of content and remote control capabilities. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, the Panasonic Lumix S5 offers an impressive combination of advanced features and user-friendly design, making it an ideal companion for capturing stunning moments in both stills and videos. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7C Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera Silver, ILCE7C, The Sony Alpha 7C is a sleek and powerful full-frame mirrorless camera, now available in a stunning silver finish, ILCE7C. With a compact design, the Alpha 7C doesn't compromise on performance, featuring a 24.2 megapixels XMOR-R CMOS sensor and the advanced BIONZX image processor for exceptional image quality. Its impressive ISO range of 151,200 ensures superb low-light performance. The camera's fast and precise autofocus system, along with real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, makes capturing sharp and detailed shots effortless. The tilting touchscreen LCD and high-resolution electronic viewfinder enhance the shooting experience. Additionally, the Alpha 7C supports 4K video recording, ensuring you can capture stunning videos with rich detail. Whether you're a professional or enthusiast, the Sony Alpha 7C in silver combines style and substance for a premium photography experience.